Capitec Bank's app offers free transaction notifications, money in, money out, via push alerts, SMS, or email, keeping you updated on payments, deposits, and approvals instantly. Enable them for security and convenience. 1. Enable push notifications. In-app alerts, fastest. Download. Open the Capitec Bank app, iOS, Android. Log in with your remote PIN. Tap the menu icon, 3 lines, top, left, right. Go to Settings, Notifications or Transaction Notifications. Toggle on for categories, payments, deposits, approvals, promotions. Allow app permissions for push notifications in your phone settings. Settings, Notifications, Capitec Bank, Enable. 2. Set up SMS or email alerts. In App Settings, Notifications, select SMS or email. Enter your registered phone, email. Choose alert types, for example, all transactions or high value only. Confirm with OTP, active immediately, SMS at 40-cent standard rate, email free. 3. For payment requests, approvals. When a payment request arrives, get a push notification. Tap to approve, decline in app.